What is going on YouTube? Bryce Crispy 94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. This time we will be painting, ta-da, Creel the Barbarian. Now, if you don't know who Creel the Barbarian is, that's because you did not tune in to RennyT's live stream. It was a live stream a few months back where myself, Cryo, Renny, and Tsunami did a Battle Royale. It was three of us, Renny, myself, and Tsunami, that were actually in the Battle Royale, and Cryo was the announcer, DM of it, and Creel was my character. He is a half, no, not a half, sorry, well, I guess a half giant, but he is a Goliath Barbarian, obviously heavily armored, not heavily armored, but heavily weaponized. With his maul, his mace, his little hand axes, and javelins on the back. Very strong character, very fun to play. I did end up winning the Battle Royale. I'm not sure if it's up on Renny's Twitch or not, but if it is, go check it out. Go check out his Twitch anyway. I'll link it in the download there. Renny is fantastic. He has done a few episodes of Double Advantage with us. He's also the artist for Double Advantage, one of the artists. But yeah, super excited to paint him. This is actually my first 3D print with my new 3D printer. That's about it. Can't wait to paint him. Oh, let me show you the colors we're going to be using. So for his face and arms and main body, he's going to be getting Cold Flesh, because I thought that was a really good Goliath color. Then for his pants, I'm going to be combining Zombie Flesh and Minotaur Hide, because I want kind of a brownish green, and this wasn't brown enough. Then I am going to use Minotaur Hide for the leather on his armor. We will be using the Mithril Silver for his mace and chain and spikes and other metal on his body, which is very few. The skeleton bone for the ram's head on his shoulder. Rigid leather for the... oh my god, I did that wrong. The Minotaur hide is not for the leather. The rigid leather is for the leather. The Minotaur hide will be for the handles of his weapons. So dumb. Dungeon Stone for the rocks below. And then I have a Lawful White and Abyssal Black for his eyes, and Abyssal Black for the tats on his body. Because as we all know, Goliaths have some sick tats. So, that is it. I do have some flesh, or not some flesh, some washes I will be using as well on the weapon and the base. Maybe on him, haven't decided yet. But that's enough of that. Let's get to painting.
Som stolt och stum. En mörk uändlig mark ned mot ett blytomt hav. En sen oktoberafton under en himmellag. Och då en väldig stillhet genom det dype rum som smärte där har sörgött sig långsamt stolt och stum. en mörk uändlig lingmar ned mot ett blytomt hav. En sen oktoberafton under en himmellag.
Alright guys, we are done with Creel. He turned out phenomenal. I'm super happy with how he turned out. I struggled a bit with the tattoos at first, but after some trial and error, I got them down. Let's go ahead and pull him up here. So, the rib cage. As you can see, the his light color makes it kind of hard to see him, but you can see the tattoos. I actually really like how they turned out. I love how the weapons turned out. The ram skull turned out super well. I used a Army Painter Quick Shade red tone on that. I also added the red tone to some of the metal to give kind of a dried blood on the mace, or on the the mace and the flail. I did it on the javelins with the axes. They just got the little dark wash like this. His skin got a Vallejo pale gray game wash, and I really like how that turned out. It did darken him up. I know he's very bright because of the light. Let me see here if I kill this, and then it auto brightens. And I'm very dark, and nope, nothing's helping. Nothing's helping. Yeah, he's a bright color. Hopefully I can take a picture and put that up at the end, during the end credit thing. I guess if that's what you want to call it. That will show him off a little better. It's that ram skull. The ram skull looks really good, and you can tell it looks really good. His face turned out, yeah. The metal, oh gosh, this is like exactly how I built the character on Hero Forge. So yeah. Anyway, I said at the beginning of the video, this character is a character I played in a Battle Royale, and the reason I wanted to paint him is because I'm actually doing my own Battle Royale Saturday, I believe, is when we have it scheduled. So as long as things go according to plan, by the end of next week, there will be a Battle Royale on the channel. Right now, we are still getting who's going to be involved, so I can't announce it. But I am going to be... I'm not going to be excited. I am excited to do it. I have some tricks in play, and it is technically going to be a canon battle royale for the Bryce Crispy one-shot sagas. So that's going to be super fun. We do have some returning characters, and we do have some new characters. So very excited to see how that pans out. And that's about it for upcoming projects. Of course, more mini painting and more Icons of the Realms. But until next time, guys, have a good one. Peace.